Hey guys, GripEdge Brian. I spent the last year tracking down 10 of the most powerful game-changing tools for mechanics and DIYers. Tools that will level up the way you wrench and make your work a lot smoother. Today I'm going to be breaking down all 10, and trust me, the last tool on the list is going to blow you away. Let's get into it. The first tool on the list solves so many problems when it comes to these annoying clips that don't want to remove. They get brittle and they're hard to get off. Now, all you do is grab your clip remover tool, you go ahead, slide onto here, you pull, and then it separates that clip and it's easy to go. You're not going to break it or damage it. This is awesome for preserving new ones and even removing old ones. So this is really nice and cool. Now with the old edition, it still works just as good. You're just only getting the top to slide that off. Whereas the new edition has the top and the bottom. So it's getting the clip detached a lot easier and smoother than the original one. But the original one is still way better than just trying to go with a flathead. Both of these tools are super cheap and worth every penny. As I go through the list of tools, all of the links to every single one of these tools will be in the video description, as well as my YouTube channel description as well. So if you want any of these tools, go down below and grab yourself a pair. And the next tool on the list are these ratchet attachments from Vim Tools. Now these things are so cool because essentially they're a ratchet end with a bit of offset in the end. You have a flex head joint with a switch, and on the bottom of it, you could put a freeze drive extension on it. Now you have an adjustable ratchet that you can get into nice tight spots, and it's customizable. So if you want, you can get a longer extension. Now you can make it as long as you want. If you want to go really crazy, you get even a longer extension. Now you can fit into any wheel well or any tight, awkward area. You could also use this as a bit of an offset wrench. So if you're trying to get into an awkward spot with a ratchet, you just go ahead and attach it. Boom. Now you can ratchet at a weird angle if you really wanted to. So, and it's a 12-point design. You're getting sizes 8 to 13 millimeter. On the different set, you're getting 14 millimeter all the way to 19 millimeter. These are one of my favorite unique tools to use from Vim Tools. I always have these accessible to me on my tool cart because it's one of those tools that I almost always use, especially on the cart. Now, if you love the last tool from the list, the next tool on the list is going to be an accessory for that. So if you have one of those Nano ratchets, you could actually take a handle from Vim Tools as well. It's a Nora H6. Now you put it on the end, and now you have a nice ratcheting handled ratchet. This thing's really cool. If you want, you go ahead and put that extension in between. And now you have a comfort grip ratcheting handle. This thing is super nice and sweet. I always have this on my cart like this. And then whenever I need to work on a car or whatever, I just go ahead and grab that ratchet handle, put a 13 or whatever size I need, and now we're good to go. This is honestly a really cool gadget that I love using. Now, the next tool on the list is this electric ratchet from Vessel. This thing is so cool because it's literally the same size as a regular hand ratchet, but it's an electric ratchet. So you can get into a lot of tight spaces and get a lot of speed to run bolts off. This is really sweet and cool. Now it has a freeze adapter, so you can get freeze bolts. And if you want, you just pop that head off, and now you could put a 1/4-inch drive attachments, and now I could put 1/4-inch drive sockets onto this bad boy as well. But not only can you use 1/4-inch drive sockets, you could actually pop this thing out and put your bits into here as well. So now you have even more room to get into those nice tight spots. Now keep in mind, this is an electric ratchet, not an impact gun, so you don't expect it to be able to break it off just like that. But the cool thing is, you can manually break it loose if you want, and now you can run the bolt off. Look at how quick that thing is. And now if you want to tighten it, you go ahead and just pop that thing out, put it on the other side like this, and now click that button. There we go. Nice and snug. This is perfect for a lot of interior work, dash work, and I use this a lot on the engine bays as well. I'm able to get into nice tight spots. This thing is literally worth every single penny. Keep in mind, the people that hate on this tool are the people that don't use this tool for the right occasion. It's an amazing tool, and it's USB-C rechargeable. I legitimately use this tool every single day, no joke, and it hasn't left me stranded. Now the next tool on the list are one of the best sockets on the market, and these are some GripEdge RPT torque sockets as well as some hex sockets. Now these are legitimately my favorite and best torque sockets to use when it comes to working on cars, especially if you work on rusty German cars. Now they could be a little bit up there in price, but the reason for them is because they're amazing game-changing sockets. One of the reasons why is, let's get this regular T30 socket, and now this is your standard size socket. Look at the difference between the two. Look at that. Just with your regular ratchet, look at that thing. quite the size difference. But the coolest thing is, if you wanted to get into a tighter spot, you can put this onto an 11mm wrench. Now look at the size difference, guys. Look, this is going to get into a lot of tight spaces than this bad boy. But if you still don't believe they're that slim, look at this T60 socket from GripEdge. Look at this regular T60 socket. Look at the freaking difference between that thing. That is insane. You can get into a lot tighter spot than you ever would with your regular T60. This GripEdge is literally game changing. But the beauty about this is not only is it short, but this thing has RPT technology to help you avoid rounding off Torx bolts that are very rusty, that are very weak, and are about to break off. I use these constantly on the daily when it comes to working on cars in the rust belt, and I almost always avoid stripping these. Whenever my friends need help on their German cars, I bring this set out, and it always gets us out of jams. I'm being dead serious. This is my favorite socket set to use when it comes to working on rusty German cars. Now I use this set the most. This is the hex set, but I use this Torx set the absolute most about. I understand it's a little bit pricey, but it's worth it. Invest the extra dollars in a really amazing set just like this one. Now, speaking of slim, the next one on the list are actually these Nano sockets from Ulsa Tools. Now, this is the 1/4" drive version. You're getting 4mm all the way to 15mm. Now, if you take your standard size socket, this is your 7mm. If you get a 7mm from here, look at the damn difference between the two. You're getting a lot more room. And again, if you want to get into an even tighter spot, you go ahead and throw an 11mm wrench. And now look at the size of that thing. And this is not even with the ratchet side on this one. This thing's a lot more slimmer. You're going to be able to get into a lot of tight spaces. Now, they also make a 3/8 drive version of these Nano sockets as well. The next one on the list are these curved prying tools. Now, these things are perfect for interior work on cars. They can go onto those door trims and really nice and smoothly pop whatever clip you're trying to get into. They have a very thin metal so they can get into those tight spots. And you could buy two versions, one that's just like this, and then you have this one that's double-sided. So you get that thin metal in the front, but you also get a curved edge at the bottom. So you could pry a clip or whatever, get into a more aggressive angle, or you can use this one and really kind of slide under and boop, pop up. And they have a nice smooth edge, so you're really not going to damage or scuff up anything that you're trying to pry on. I use these for the interior almost all the time. It's one of my go-to prying trims when it comes to interior work. A lot better than this flimsy plastic crap that either always breaks or can get into tight spots, and a lot better than other traditional prying tools that'll really scratch up your interior. But these are really my go-to prying tools. And best of all, these are under $10. Now, the next one on the list is this 3/8 electric ratchet. Now, this bad boy is really cool because you're getting plenty of speed and plenty of breakaway torque. Now, this is not an impact gun. This is meant to be a bolt runner, but it helps you get at those bolts that are kind of resisting a bit. This will really get it out. Now, the beauty about this is, although it has this weird battery at the end that may feel awkward to a lot, it fits nicely in the hand and doesn't get in the way or obstruct. Now, it has this extended handle head, so now you're able to get into those weird, tight, awkward angles that you wouldn't be able to get if this head was a lot shorter. It'd make it very inconvenient to use this electric ratchet. Now, this thing, you could actually put Makita batteries on it, or even bigger batteries. I could put a 21-volt battery into this bad boy, put it on, and now you're making even more power. Now, keep in mind, I use this electric ratchet on the daily, so I'm not forcing this thing down your throat. I'm telling you from results how reliable this cheap little electric ratchet has been, and you could generally get these for under $80. So really worth every single penny. You're getting 2 batteries, an electric ratchet, and a charger. I say it's a good damn deal if you're really trying to get an electric ratchet, but not break the bank. And the next one on the list are these 120 teeth ratcheting wrenches from Capri Tools. These things are absolutely beautiful. Now, they have a nice little bit of offset on them, so you can get into those weird angled bolts, but also they're a lot longer than normal wrenches, so you're getting a lot more leverage, and you also get a switch on here. But to top it all off, you have a nice biting position right here on the open end of the wrench. So you're gonna be able to grip those open fasteners a lot better than these traditional curved wrenches. Really a nice complete set that's worth every damn penny. The next one on the list are these Gator magnetic hooks. These are super useful for storing all types of tools that you have around the shop. Now, I love putting them onto my cart just like this, and then I'll go ahead and take my electric ratchet or impact gun, and now I can store it on the cart while I work on whatever, grab it, and boom, we're good to go. I do this exact same thing with my electric ratchet. I put it right here. This thing's really cool because it could hold a ton of weight, up to 25 pounds or even up to 44 pounds. I have these gator hooks all over my shop and I use them super often. Now for a bonus tool, because I love you guys so much, this is the pocket floodlight. This thing's really cool because you're getting a huge amount of light in a small package, and you have multiple different settings from super bright to medium, and then you have a strobe light setting for partying. Now this has a nice pivoting head that can help you get into those awkward angles, and this thing has a magnetic bottom so we can stick it onto here, and again we could pivot the head in whatever direction we want, and again it's small enough to hook it onto your keys, and of course it's USB-C rechargeable. As always, links to all of these tools will be in my YouTube channel description as well as my video description. And you guys, if you ever want to support the channel, the best way you can do that is just by watching my videos, enjoying the content. If you see any tools that you see here that you enjoy and want to get them, and that helps me a ton. I really appreciate all the love and support from you guys. And as always, hope it helped.